Hey man, a lot of y'all want me to hit it, man. I'm gonna take y'all on the highway. Not right now. I'm going to work. Quick POV to work. You know what I'm saying? Gotta go pick up the work truck. People out here getting it, yo. Crack the window a little bit. I can't do too much. People out here be walking their dogs, jogging. They'll report you real quick. You know what I'm saying? Police be out. Word, I'm gonna give y'all some highway. I'm gonna hit. I be really like that with this RT now. Y'all be sleeping on me. I be reading the comments. Reading the comments now. Motherfucker be sleeping on me. I'm tripping. Motherfucker be sleeping on me. I'm really like that. I just try to show y'all a little bit, not too much, but I'm gonna show y'all a lot. I'm gonna show y'all a lot. And these roads bad. Oh my God, man. I got sideways for y'all. I got sideways for y'all. Yeah. My turn coming up. Frankie's Fun Park. That's where you get your driver skills. I go to Fort driver. No, I'm playing. I don't know what it is, man. Go ahead. Now listen, man. This is quick POV. I'm gonna give y'all. Y'all want that highway video of some pools and me running out of, you know what I'm saying? Damn, my tire's sticking. You hear that? That's the tire sticking. And I ain't got no more tire left. I gotta stop doing that. But listen, y'all want that that highway drive with me weaving in and out of traffic and stuff like that? Make sure y'all comment that below, cause I'm gonna show you.